Hello friends, welcoming online learning session. Now we are going to learn next part, that is care of breeding bull. The bull means the male which is used for the services or for breeding purpose called as bull. Breeding bull plays an important role in producing good progeny in the herd, because bull is said to be half of the herd, because offspring received 50% of inheritance from the bulls. Therefore, the quality of the further herd depends on the quantity of bull maintained and used in the herd. So friends, let's start how to care or select the bull. It depends age, breed, type, and according to pedigree record, health condition, and daily conformation of the male. Then bull should be true to type, breed, and characteristic. Bull should be healthy, masculine, and vigorous also. It should be free from physical deformities or defects like lameness, etc. Bull should be free from diseases like tuberculosis, pyrosis, trichomoniasis. It should be free from these diseases because there is chance to spread from one to another. Examine the quality and quantity of bull semen very often to intense or ensure its effective potentiality. The next one is feeding of breeding bull. Underfeeding as well as overfeeding of bull should be avoided for maintain optimum breeding efficiency in herd. Overfeeding causes fattiness that leads to reduced sexual libido as well as stress and strain on their feet and legs also. So that underfeeding may lead to nutritional deficiencies reflected by reduced breeding performance also. So that animals or bulls should be provided adequate quantity of concentrate, grain fodder as well as dry fodder. Feeding schedule of bull should be based on body weight and intents of services, usually 2 to 2.5 kilograms intake per 100 kilograms body weight. Feeding of good roughages like legumes, hay, and dry jar fodder, as well as 2 to 3 kilograms of concentrate mixture per day is essential for maintenance of body. Then the concentrate mixture should carry 20% digestible crude protein and 72% total digestible nutrient. Green lucerne, green basim, oats can be included in the daily ration for maintaining his body. Avoid silage feeding. Young bull must receive sufficient green to satisfy higher need of vitamin A, otherwise poor quality of semen is produced. During heavy breeding season, the concentrate allowance should be increased. While feeding bulls, care should be taken to avoid phosphorus deficiency, which leads to sterility problems. So that legumes is provided sufficient quantity. Bulls are not usually allowed for grazing with herd because of difficulty in controlling them by mounting to other animal or fighting with other animals. Then feeding of bull in services. Bull in services should be neither fat nor thin and weak. Ration should be contain sufficient protein, nearly about 20% digestible crude protein and 70% of total digestible nutrient. The concentrate should contain 1% mineral mixture also. If the roughages include legume, then concentrate contain 16% total digestible crude protein may be given, but the quantity of concentrate be reduced proportionality. Bulls are not usually pastured because difficulty in controlling them. It means the service bull used in services, if provided in pasture area for feeding purpose, It should it can be fighting with other animals or mounting on other animals. Composition of bull's ration may be kept same as that of recommended. This chart showing the nutrient requirement to breeding bull, that is on the basis of body weight, DEP, TDN, metabolic energy, likewise. Then management. Ringing of bull. It means it is required for controlling of bull. For convenience in handling and protection from viscous bull, a nose ring of convenient size of about 2.5 inch diameter should be fixed at the edge of ear. This may be replaced by ring about 3.5 in diameter in older bull of over 2 years of age. Nose ring should be made from non-rusting metal of uniform thickness like copper. Then training of bull. For leading a bull leader or bull holder should be used. In case it is regularly tied in the pen, a strong halter may be used also, but bull should be trained at an early age so that they can be safely handled and easily teachable at this age with the help of controlling with ring. Disbudding a bull calf. For safe handling, the bull may be kept without horns. A bull is dangerous under most circumstances, but less if it is dehorned. So that disbudding is necessary at early ages. Pen housing. This is best system of breeding bull. It provides ample spaces, nearly about 12 by 12 feet, or an area about 14 by 15 feet square feet. All of bull pen in cape 4.5 to 5 feet height for sufficient space required for standing purpose, sitting purpose, or moving purpose. Door should be near to cow shed. It should have ample shade to protect from intense sunlight and good to protect for cold and rain also. It should have such provision of food and water by bull may be handled for this without any danger from the bull. Then exercise. Moderate daily exercise is must for bull to keep active and in good breeding form. For exercise providing open yard, that is nearly about 20 by 40 meter, or exercise rings. Exercise help to retain bull's breeding power and remove slugginess. The bulls may be tied to his chain, which allows the bull to walk up to the length of the cable. Then exercise also keep toes well horns. Then teasing of bull should be avoided. Paddock should be cleaned daily to avoid slipperiness. Also avoiding from the flies, mites, etc. Routine vaccination and deworming schedule should be followed. Control ectoparasite by regular spraying of insecticide. Care in handling of viscous bull. Give sufficient exercise. Regular handling or leading of bull is done by using bull leader. Avoid solitary confinement. Then proper location of bull pen so that he can see other cattle also. Regular feed supply should be provided. Then miscellaneous management. Brushing and grooming is advisable in morning hours so that other material like dust, dirt which is attached in hairs should be removed. The bull should be handled by different persons so that it will not have habit of handling by one person. The bull wash frequently so that blood circulation going fastly. Disposal of bull. Bull can be used nearly about 12 years of age. Then he should be cooled. After this they become uncertain breeders. Therefore older bull should be cooled or sold. This is about care and management of breeding bull. Thank you.